Now, the Aziz Fashola, aka Naira Marley case continues as the singer has been arraigned today at the Federal High Court in Lagos by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Now, the arraignment is based on the 11-count charge leveled against him for alleged credit card fraud after spending 10 days behind bars. Now, Naira Marley, if found guilty, will be jailed for 7 years. Now, you may recall the artist was arrested last week along with 4 others, including his friend and singer Zlatan Ibile, who has since been released on administrative bail. Now, in other news, Zlatan has released a new song titled 4 Nights in Ikoyi.
Aye. Kapai chimari mari chipaku. Jama. Ah, wo. Ah, padi mi shebeni toku. Kuweni to masukwe. Shebeni to broke.
Now, according to the EFCC, some of the credit cards in question bore the names Nico Louis Melon and Timmy Fedorno Tata. Now, the judge in charge, Justice Oreagba, ordered that Naira Marley be remanded in prison custody until May 30th for bail application. Whew.
This is getting really serious.
See, it's even more serious than we thought, too.
Is one of our TVC reporters, Kemi Fola Adeyemi. Now, she was at the Federal High Court this morning to cover the Naira Marley case. Hi, Kemi.
Hi, Amanda.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good.
All right, so can you give us some information about the Naira Marley case?
Absolutely, Amanda. So Naira Marley had his day in court today before Justice Nicholas Owebo of the Federal High Court in Ikoyi, Lagos. He was also legally represented. The EFCC also had their lawyers present and the Naira Marley defense team led by the chambers of Olalekan Ojo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. He pleaded not guilty to 11 counts of the credit card fraud charges now, but he would have to return to jail now because the EFCC lawyer had applied for trial instantly. However, his lawyers asked for a date for bail application. All this while since he's been arrested on his birthday on May the 10th, he's been in EFCC custody. But the judge finally granted the application of the EFCC lawyer that he be taken out of the EFCC custody now and taken to regular prison, most likely Ikoyi Prison, which wasn't what the defense counsel actually wanted. They wanted him to remain in the EFCC custody for reasons best known to them, but then the judge said no, he should be transferred to the prison. And then the case will continue later in the month on May the 30th for formal bail applications to be moved.
Okay, Kemi, how was the atmosphere there? Were there other Nigerian artists or colleagues of Naira Marley at the court?
Well, let me just say that it was a mammoth crowd in the court premises. Of course, the rain has been pouring since around 8 a.m. or thereabouts. It was a mammoth crowd. The case has generated so much interest, not just within the entertainment industry. Lawyers were there taking pictures with their phones, recording all that transpired. Naira Marley has kind of, garnered a followership or cult-like followership. We couldn't readily identify any notable musicians or artists who came to, stand with the Naira Marley case now. But there were a lot of associates, apparently. His family members were also present. We understand his mom also came to the court premises. He greeted her actually as he walked in, and she was assuring him all is well. So yes, beyond fans, beyond his colleagues, so to speak now, there were so many people out there, to give him support, so to speak, or to observe what happened as he was brought in, as he was being taken out of the court premises. We'll wait and see how the whole drama, because it's just started. The case will naturally take the usual legal proceedings, all that is involved in a case of this nature. So we'll wait and see how it all unfolds eventually.